28. Fools and Sin. A couple of years ago, we had a serious drought, and I heard a child of 6 propose a simple solution to the water shortage. If people needed more water, why don't they melt ice cubes? Now, that boy has a great future in politics, the governorship, or maybe even the presidency. With answers like that, he'll go far. It was, of course, a foolish statement, and foolish statements are all too common every day. But at the heart of all this folly is this fact: fools make a mock at sin. Proverbs 14:9. Failure to take sin seriously is at the heart of all folly. We live in an age where all too few people take sin seriously. In fact, many regard it as a mark of being out of date and irrelevant to regard sin as an important matter. Sin, however, is any want of conformity to or violation of the law of God. Failure to take sin seriously is failure to take God seriously, and this is at the heart of our problem. A friend, the Reverend Grail Brian Gannon, in a study of the church scene, calls attention to the fact that great numbers of people are content to stay in churches whose apostasy is obvious, even though they disagree with their church. Their faith isn't important enough for them to make a stand in terms of it. It's more important for them to be where their friends are than where the Lord is. In other words, they're fools. They don't take sin seriously. What are your priorities, and where is God's place in your life? Fools are self-made. What have you made of yourself?